Embarking on the journey to mastering English speaking is the first step towards unlocking endless opportunities. Start small. Practice daily by speaking to yourself in English. It builds confidence and fluency over time. Joining online forums or language exchange groups can exponentially boost your learning curve by immersing you in real conversations. Don't fear mistakes. Every error is a stepping stone to mastery. Embrace them and always ask for feedback. Listening to English music, podcasts, and movies can fine-tune your understanding and pronunciation, making learning enjoyable. Finally, practice speaking English in diverse settings, from formal presentations to casual conversations. Versatility is key. Your English speaking journey is unique. Celebrate every small victory and stay persistent. The world is waiting to hear your voice.